Kettle 600 megaliters electric water heater portable foldable kettle quart. Electric kettle folding electric quart portable travel camping kettle 600 megaliters electric water heater portable folding kettle quart. 1.600 megaliters collapsible body design, easy to travel and use, easy to carry. 2.6 minutes rapid water boiling, high temperature resistance 230 degrees. 3.304 stainless steel heating plate, baby grade silicone pot body, no BPA, high temperature boiling water, no peculiar smell. 4. One key switch, convenient and quick, automatic power off. 5. The pot line is separated, and the water is not blocked. Specification: color, white, blue. Material: 304 stainless steel chassis plus baby grade silicone pot body. Size when unfolded: 18.2 * 13.2 * 17.2 centimeters. Size when folded: 18.2 * 13.2 * 9.7 centimeters. Operation mode: button. Heating method: chassis heating. Capacity: 600 megaliters. Power: 600 W. Applicable number: 1 to 2 people.